Hi, I'm Leandro Facchinetti. I'm your TA this semester. And recently you watched a lecture of mine about JavaScript. And if you pay close attention, you're going to realize that I am hiding the ball in many places. That was on purpose. I had to implement the whole thing in 1 hour. But now we are going to go over the details of the Lights Out app so that we can more faithfully recreate the front end in the version that you have on your machine. We are also going to look at the To-Do app because the client side of the To-Do app has some non-trivial DOM manipulation, and I want you to learn that. Finally, we are going to establish a pattern for growth. We are going to recreate the Lights Out app again, but this time paying more attention to details like the class system so that you can grow the app moving forward. And that is the pattern we want to establish for the group projects. Now, we made things simpler in the first and second assignments on the client side because JavaScript is a new language to many people. But for the group projects, we want to have more sophisticated objects and classes and different files. The whole thing will not be just one file. So without further ado, let's get started.